Today's topic for discussion is a description of a specific plant, that is Antigonon leptopus. The family of this plant is Polygonaceae and it has several common names. It is called as coral creeper, bird's tears, chain of love, hearts on the chain, love vine. There are many names are given to the plant. It is a climber and it has very beautiful flowers. It is very common in warm regions of the world and it is a mesophytic plant that requires a moderate amount of water to survive, and it is a climber. And the Antigonon leptopus, in this plant the stem is modified to tendril like structure for climbing purpose. Okay, root of the plant, it is tuberous taproot system. That means it is a plant of dicot. It is a dicot plant. Stem is solid below and upper part of the stem is green and it is highly branched and green stem up at upper side. Next slide. This is the stem tendril. This is the stem tendril, the stem of the plant that is modified to tendril-like structure for climbing purpose. And what are climbers? The climbers are the plant of weak stem. The plants which is having weak stem that requires support to climb over other plants. Such plants the climbers possesses a specific devices for climbing purpose. Plants having climbing habit are termed as climbers. And what is tendril? Tendril occurs in Antigonon leptopus. Stem tendril occurs in Antigonon leptopus. Okay. And that tendril helps to climb the plant over other plants or other any substratum. Okay. What is tendril? Tendrils are cylindrical green thread-like structures which may be the modification of leaf or modification of leaflet or petiole or stipule or leaf apex or the stem. These are the modified structures, and tendrils are modified structures. They are used for climbing purpose by several plants. The Antigonon leptopus, it is having stem tendrils. These thread-like structures or tendrils are highly flexible and they are made for climbing purpose. The tendrils are soft, delicate and highly sensitive structures. Next. This is the stem tendril shown in the photograph. This is stem tendril. Next. This is the leaf of Antigonon leptopus. Shape of the leaf is triangular. It is green in color. It is glabrous. That means soft. It is a simple leaf because it is having only lamina and the petiole. It has petiole. Therefore, it is petiolate leaf. Petiole is the stalk of the leaf. Venation is reticulate venation. How is the phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy is alternate phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy means arrangement of the leaves on the stem. That is alternate. Stipule is present in the plant. Stipule is absent in Antigonon leptopus. Stipule, it is a small leafy structure when it occurs at the base of the leaf. That leaf is called stipulate, but Antigonon leptopus, it is a ex-stipulate leaf. Stipule is absent. And base of the leaf is cordate shaped, heart shaped. Okay. Apex is acute, pointed. It is bluntly pointed. And texture is rugose. Rugose texture means wrinkled, somewhat wrinkled texture. Okay. Margin of the leaf is entire, that is in continuation. Next slide. This is the inflorescence of Antigonon leptopus. This is terminal raceme type of panicles occur in leptopus, Antigonon leptopus. Peduncle is hairy. What is peduncle? Stalk of the flowering shoot is known as peduncle. Actual flowers are very small in size, but the tepals are very large, appear like petals of the flower. Flowers are arranged in group of 1 to 4. The tips of flower cluster terminated into a short tendril. Next slide. This is the flower of Antigonon leptopus. This flower, it is pentamerous flower. 5 petals are there. These are actually tepals. There are 5 tepals. Bract is absent. What is bract? A small leafy structure when occurs at the base of the flower, that is called bract. But bract is absent in Antigonon leptopus. Hence the flower is ebracteate. Pedicel is present. Hence the flower is pedicellate. Actinomorphic, that means symmetrical flower. It is symmetrical flower. Okay. And both androecium and gynoecium both are present in the flower. Hence the flower is bisexual or hermaphrodite. Okay, next slide. This is imbricate aestivation shown in the photograph. See carefully both the photographs given here. Both the edges of one petal, they are inside, and both the edges of another one petal, they are totally outside, and 3 petals are having one edge outside, one edge inside, like this. Such arrangement of the tepals or petals or sepals in the flower, that is called as imbricate aestivation. Here imbricate aestivation is shown in the photograph. Next. This is the perianth of the Antigonon leptopus. There are 5 tepals. Tepals are 5 again, and the color of tepal is fresh pink, and these are free. Therefore it is polytepalous condition. Aestivation is imbricate, just described, and epicalyx is absent. Next. This is the androecium. There are 8 stamens observed in flower. Filaments are long and they are free, hence they are described as polyandrous condition. Color is pink and oblong. Okay. Anther lobe is oblong. Anther is yellow. It is basifixed. The filament is attached to the basal region of the anther, hence it is basifixed. It is dithecous anther, and dehiscence or the split open anther, opening of anther at maturity takes place by longitudinal slit. Therefore, dehiscence is by longitudinal slit. Next. This is the gynoecium of Antigonon leptopus. Here there are 3 separate styles. Stigma is capitate, ovary is superior. See in the photograph, if you take the section of ovary, there are 3 carpels, hence the tricarpellary ovary. Carpels are fused carpels, united, hence it is syncarpous. Placentation, that is arrangement of the ovule, that is basal. Basal arrangement of the ovule occurs in Antigonon leptopus family Polygonaceae. Okay, next. This is the fruit of Antigonon leptopus family Polygonaceae. It is a acne type. Acne type of fruit occurs. This fruit is cone shaped and 3-angled. What is acne? Acne type of fruit. It is a simple dry indehiscent fruit with thin pericarp. It is one-seeded, fruit are 2 to 3 seeded, but the seed is distinct from the fruit wall. It is developed from one chambered monocarpellary superior ovary or three chambered monocarpellary or tricarpellary ovary, superior ovary. Here the pericarp and testa are free from each other. Such type of fruit that is described as acne. Next. Next slide. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.